Hey Bestie, if you're thinking of starting the 1 kg per month challenge, hey, I'm happy for you. I'm clapping for you already. But before you jump in, I want to share with you the things I wish somebody had actually sat me down to tell me before I jumped into it. I'm not seated here to tell you the polish, stuff. Let's talk real talk that will motivate you and encourage you, and most importantly, will help you stay consistent. You might feel nothing is changing within the first 2 to 3 weeks. You might notice no crazy weight drop, no flat tummy, and that will just get you to feel, are you really doing the right thing? It says, don't give up. Change is actually happening. It's happening in your body, in your mindset, and including your habit. Because you're not seeing the fireworks does not mean you should quit, sis. This is actually slow fire. It's doing its thing slowly. And guess what? It actually lasts. The change will last. Meal prep doesn't have to be fancy. There are too many things on the internet. It doesn't have to be fancy, sis. When I started on this journey, I used to think I have to prep, this Instagram style food where you has to look all fancy, put the fish on one side, put my chocolate on the other side, put this one, put the cream around. Calm down. Meal prepping doesn't have to be fancy. The thing is, once you know how to prepare a balanced meal, you can always rotate that meal, can keep going with that meal. You don't have to crack your head every minute. What am I going to eat? Know what a balanced meal is and stick with it. Repeat it. You do this and you will still win. Don't stress over fancy meals. Please don't. Take a look at what's showing on the screen. My meals are not usually fancy. It's just a simple, quick fix meal that you can just eat and you feel good and it's well balanced. Focus more on the content, not the fancy part of it. Because the content, a well balanced meal will keep you full and satisfied. And that is a win. A win, win. The third thing I wish I knew before I started this my journey was that walking is a secret weapon. I wonder why walking is not talked about a lot on social media, because walking is really, really a secret weapon. And to think that that was one thing I really underestimated, that was one thing I would sit down on my bed and thinking, I need to go to the gym. When you can just get up and walk. I know it sounds very simple, but one thing on this journey that I noticed that walking really changed a lot. Changed my energy levels, of course, my digestion, and especially my sleep. Try walking and come back to the comment section and let me know what your sleep pattern is. To think that I started out with 5,000 steps. When I started, I just did 5,000, 30 minutes walk here and there. And now I can go as far as 12,000, 15,000 steps whenever I walk. I do 2 to 3 times every day, apart from when I did my 8,000 steps challenge. I'll put the link. You find the link on top of this video. Click on it and watch and see what happened when I tried out 8,000 steps in a month. It will shock you what happened. Walking to me doesn't feel like a chore at all. It's something I enjoy doing. It's my me time. I love it. I would say with the walking, start small, and then build up to it. You enjoy it. Use it as your me time, your quiet time, your bonding moment. You'll love it. Another thing I wish I knew before I started this journey, which would have made things so much easier for me, is tracking my non-scale wins. When I started, I was always anxious of, getting on that scale to see how many kg have I lost? Did I really lose 1 kg? I was always so freaked out about losing losing kg every month. But let me tell you something. If you only track your weight loss on the scale, you're going to give up. You will give up fast. Like fast. When I started tracking my non-scale wins, like my energy, my food, my mood, my sleep, my bloating, my confidence. That's when I saw real wins. One thing I've come to realize is your body is always changing. Even when your bathroom scale is being rude and mean to you, your body is changing. When I started on this journey, people just did not get it. When you start, sis, the people around you will just not get it. And guess what? That's okay. Sis, that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. When you say, I'm only losing 1 kg a month, some people will give you bombastic side eye. They will eye you. They will say, this one don't even know what thing she did do. But that's okay. Some of them will even say it's too slow. And they will try to push you to do ridiculous numbers. They will even ask you to try more intense routines and workouts. Bestie, let them talk. Let them talk. You're building something sustainable. And guess what? When you've reached your target weight and they can see it, that's when they will start. So relax, bestie, relax, relax. You'll be fine. Trust me. Picture yourself losing 12 kg within a year. How would that make you feel? Tell me in the comment section, how will that make you feel if you lose 12 kg within a year? What changes do you think you'll notice? The last point I will say is consistency is actually greater than perfection. The thing is, you will miss a day. You will have cake. You will even eat pizza. You might feel unmotivated, but that's okay. That's normal. That still shows you're human. Please, bestie, don't let one off day turn into you quitting. Don't do that to yourself. The goal here is progress, not perfection. Progress all the way. So, bestie, in conclusion, let me summarize. Here is what I wish I knew. Losing 1 kg every month is powerful because it builds you while it transforms your body. Like the confidence, the consistency, and the peace is worth $1,000,000. In short, there's no price tag to it at all. There's no price tag. I beg, I beg, I beg. Delete that price tag. There's no. The goal is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining full control of your life. So if you're ready to start, drop a heart emoji in the comments. Remember to like this video, and if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Heidi. Subscribe, and please come back every week. I post videos twice every week. Share this video to another bestie, to your friend, or to someone that needs a reminder that slow is strong. Let's crush this 1 kg per month goal together. I remain your bestie. Remember, be healthy, do healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.